Hayi bo, thanini ndiyaboniswa Nkosi yami. This week nje kuvela I don't understand what is going on. So, uMartha went to uSiza. Wafika lapha athi lalela, I'm going to tell you what Mr. Mayor is up to. Kahle kahle usekafuna ukublackmaila kodwa angazi ncam ukuthi ufuna ukwenza kanjani, but then he was in your office snooping around wanting some details as asho uSiza. No, I think this is because uge propose a business deal that did not go anywhere, so now it makes sense. Pata jiki emakhoneni ndifuna wena mna. Njani Martha no mna ndijongile le ndaba ndabona ba wena we-1 so ke mna ndi-available uthini ke ngoba isikhala sivulekile in your life shwele. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibona napshin molweni minjani? Hivukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Izinto zibucayi. Nakho ke Mr. Siza said, you know what, Martha, I'm not going to be doing this with you. Unfortunately, leso sikhala leso canga ukuthi sivulekile asivulekanga phofu mna ndilimela apha enhlizweni yami. And then it's like endlini kamfundisi, there's love, relationship, and forgiveness. Ukayise said, Mawe, lalela, I've done you wrong. I want to apologize, and I just want us to move forward and put things into perspective. Ganti, mina, I don't believe in that love, forgiveness relationship. I just think which ufuna ukugcina umfana wakhe le ekamareni, of which at the end of the day, he was then found. On the other hand, uThandiswa overheard a phone call between Lomlisa Lo Umtumbile, and she was trying to ask questions of which she never got answers because uSiza called, and at the end of the day she's trying to convince this guy so hard so that he could believe ukuthi umuntu genuine alright kahle, while on the other hand is uSiza ubusy namalungiselelo we-memorial service kumanzunzu. And then now he's saying that the anniversary yakawele lakathandiswa passing away has come, which clearly means ukuthi uThandiswa needs naye to go in. Guys, inhliziyo yami lapho ekhoyo